Okay, dismantling an MPC for spare parts. Okay, what we learnt is, okay, to take this motherboard off, this cable which you'll see originally goes through here, is released from underneath. It's released from underneath by putting your hand in here, and has a clip system that you just break apart on either side, and that releases. Yeah. Don't try and pull this out, that'll break. This has got a pull forward clip system here that you pull that out of to release the pad board, and you unscrew the 3 screw points here for the wheel, and that all lifts off. You don't have to try and break that. Okay, and then you've got the whole motherboard clear. Okay, cool. Right, what we're going to try and do now is we're trying to get hold of the assignable outs board, which is mounted on a shelf here where my finger's pointing. Here. I'm talking to the camera as well. This is like a video camera. It's got a clip we need to undo, and that board itself, if I look in the back there, I can see the board's actually screwed to this shelf. So if we release these screws here, hopefully we can take the board out after we've taken the top off, which I think releases via these screws here. So what we're going to do first is try to take that off. That's the first thing we're going to try and do. Okay, if it doesn't work, we'll get back. Okay, we just undid all the screws, and then this puppy comes out really easy, exposing all the interior. So what we're going to work on now is we're going to work on this. We might be able to just unscrew the board, you know, without actually taking the shelf off. If you think about it now. Let's put that somewhere safe. Cool. Right, we undid the nuts of the shelf, which mount there, and at the back. The whole shelf just slides out. There's the connector, which goes into that point. This connection's here, and we're going to pull it out of the lower motherboard here and take it with us, and that comes out real easy. Okay, we need to mark that. Okay, we've got a marker pen. Gonna mark this. B for bottom. Cool.